1/4 teaspoon. That's close enough. Good afternoon, another episode of Cooking with Dave. Today we're going to make flatbread. I made this the other day. I was here in the bus in Porto and it's been raining the last, well, since I got back from India. And I did go to the grocery store once, and the other day I just wanted some bread. And instead of having to wander out in the rain, I realized I have flour. I should be able to make my own. So I looked up a quick recipe for flatbread, and I'm going to make another batch here. So first step is just under 1.5 cups of flour. I used regular white flour the first time. I've got a bunch of white rye flour that I use for the brown bread, so I'm going to use that this time. And it's probably a little less than 1.5 cups. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I've got this little grinding thing, so I'll grind out some salt here. 1/4 teaspoon. That's close enough. And then mix that up. And then it has 100 ml of warm water, which comes out to be like 0.4 of a cup, so just under 1/2 cup. I've got my just under 1/2 cup of warm water. Drizzle this in here and then mix it up a bit. It's going to be a little dry because we're going to add some oil in a little bit. So 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we'll mix all that up. And then you're supposed to knead it for 5 minutes. Okay, after you've kneaded it, like I said, you can let it rest for 30 minutes or just go right to cooking it. So put some parchment paper out and flip this over. And I did four pieces last time. Let's see if I can do 5. Break it up into 5 somewhat even pieces, and they say roll it out with a rolling pin. I don't have one, so I'll just use my hands. Then I'm just going to cook it in a dry pan, and that should work okay. Yeah, I could use my electric hob for this, but the sun has not been out very much. It's out right now, but we do have lots of storm clouds around, and I'm sitting at just below 75%. So I'm gonna just use my gas and get this cooking here. Okay, grab the first one and throw it in the pan. This is to cook for a minute or so, minute or two. Let's see what it looks like underneath. Still got a little more to go. I might turn up the heat a little bit. Yeah, you don't need oil or anything in the pan. Slides around nicely. It's starting to brown a little bit. Maybe not. That's looking better. It's puffing up a bit. This is definitely a quick and easy way to make some bread. I had some with some chicken I made for dinner, and then had some with eggs the next morning. There we go. Throw in one of the other ones. This one will probably cook quicker. But that's all there is to it. And cleanup is pretty simple. I've just got the one pan I used for mixing and the 2 measuring cups. And the pan, I mean, the pan stays relatively clean. Just wipe it out or cook your dinner in it. I mean, there's really nothing in it at all to make it dirty, so. Okay, that's very good. Well, that's about it. I've just got a few more to do here, and then figure out what I'm going to have for dinner. So thanks for watching, and next time I do some cooking, I'll have you join me. See you later, guys.